Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to teach you how to work a really stretchy bind off for rib. So for our setup, we're going to knit 2, and now we're going to knit these 2 together. So what we do is we take our needle, left hand needle, and go into the front loops of both of these stitches like this. And now we're going to yarn over and pull that yarn over through these 2 stitches, and then slide that off your left hand needle. We have decreased 1 stitch. Now we're going to purl 1. Bring your yarn around to the front. Now we're going to purl these 2 together. Take your left hand needle and go into the back loops of these 2 stitches so that your right needle is on top of your left. Yarn over and pull a loop through both. Slide those 2 off, purl 1 again, and then purl those 2 together. So bring the yarn around to the front. Take your left needle into the 2 stitches on your right hand needle, into the back loops of them. So your right needle is on top of your left. Yarn over, pull that yarn over through those 2 stitches, slide off. And that's it. That's pretty much our repeat. Step 1 and 2 are the same. Step 3 and 4 are the same. So steps 1 and 2, you're going to knit 1 and then knit those 2 stitches together through the back loop. Steps 3 and 4, you're going to purl 1 and then purl those 2 stitches on your right hand needle together. So the action that you do is always related to the stitch on your left hand needle. So my first stitch is a knit, so I'm going to knit it and then knit those 2 together through the back loop. My next stitch is a knit, so I'm going to knit it, knit those 2 together through the back loop. My next stitch is a purl, so I'm going to purl it and then purl those 2 together. My next stitch is a purl, so I'm going to purl it, purl those 2 together. And you just keep going. And then cut a tail long enough to weave in later. I like to just kind of pull the yarn out. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing.